Welcome. Myself Gksr from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am going to explain the subject about non-conventional energy source. Subject code having 18EC651, 18ME. Sorry. Moving to the next slide, we are going to have a topic of flat plate collector. Here we have the block diagram too. If for the flat plate collector. Moving to the next slide, we have contents. What we are going to see in this presentation is working principle and applications. Sorry, merits, demerits, and moving to the next slide. It is a principle of flat plate collector. A flat plate metal plate that intercepts and absorbs solar energy. A transparent cover that allows solar energy to pass through the cover and reduces heat loss from the observer. A layer of insulation on the back of the observer to reduce heat loss. We have the block diagram here to see the principle of flat plate collector. You can see the liquid outlet aside of this flat plate collector. We have insulated walls, observer plates, liquid pipes, insulation and all. We have gauging frame too on the flat plate collector. We have gauging happening at the flat plate collector. Liquid inlet we have. These are all from block diagram of flat plate collector. Moving to the next slide, applications of flat plate collector. There are two major applications for flat plate collector: domestic application and commercial application. Moving to the next slide, we can see what are the domestic applications and commercial applications of flat plate collector. Applications, domestic applications. The main domestic applications are domestic hot water, air conditioning, cooking. The domestic hot water coming from the natural resources are this application. The air conditioner also the application. It comes under domestic applications. Cooking is also under applications of this flat plate collector. These three are most domestic applications of this. Moving on to the commercial applications. Moving on to the commercial applications, laundromats, car washes, military laundry facilities, space heating, power generation, water pumping. These all are commercial applications of flat plate collector. The laundromats, car washes, military laundry facilities, space heating, power generation. Actually, these are not comes under domestic application, but these are all commercial applications. Moving to the next slide, we can see merits of flat plate collector. The main merits of this flat plate collector are it is easy to manufacture. The flat plate collector is easy to manufacture. It is of low cost too. The companies required for manufacturers are very low and they are cheap price too. And more merit is collect both beam and diffuse radiation. It can collect both beams and it can diffuse the radiation. This is a very good merit for this flat plate collector. Going to the next merit is permanently fixed. As this is not a temporary one, but it's a permanent one. The flat plate character is a permanently fixed one. No scope. This balancing and tracking equipment is required for this flat plate collector. Moving to the next slide, we have demerits. Yeah, the main consideration is under demerits. Flat plate collector requires little maintenance. The principal disadvantages of flat plate collector is that because of absence of optical concentration, the area from which heat is lost is large. Also, due to same reason, high temperatures can't be attained. These are all to the demerits. These are all the demerits of flat plate collector. Moving to the next slide. Uh, Thank you for the opportunity given for me to explain the topic flat plate collector with you guys. Hope you understood the concept of flat plate collector. Thank you for now for listening to my class, and hope you enjoyed the class and understood the class. Thank you. Bye bye.